things that are happening off the field as well. Now, Calvert Hall had this cool little e-games program, but the Dons, they've got something special too, an award-winning Robotics Club. Check it out.
We just filled up our pneumatic air tanks, and that's going to allow our clamps to work. Well, this is Robotics Club. We compete in games made by a company called Vex V5. We build robots based on these metal parts to compete in the game each year.
Oh, you lost the standoff?
Every single year, we have a different game that we have to compete in, where we do simple, or at least fairly simple, trivial tasks, which don't seem that difficult for a human to do, but is very difficult for a robot in an 18 by 18 by 18 inch cube to do.
The object of the game is to score these rings on the mobiles you see here. Depending on your team color, blue or red, you want to get more of your blue or red goal, rings on the goals. And at the end of the match, whatever the top ring is worth 3 times the amount as the other rings. So you want to have control of the top ring.
Immediately over here to get us set up in a perfect position.
This club gives you coding, right? A bunch of coding knowledge that's important for this world. Building, right? A bunch of planning and strategy, right? Strategy is very important for this.
Begin driver mode in 3, 2, 1.
We learn a lot of practical building experience, a lot of engineering experience, and putting our ideas and formulations into actual use.
Creativity. It is fully creative. There is no set way of doing any task. Anything that you can think of has been done. Even robots that are just there for fun, just to look cool, anything. It's fully creative, it's fully mechanical. It requires you to devote your full brain to doing this.
It's making it touch with the ground. I've met some of the most social, some of the kindest, and some of the best people in this club.
Ooh! It's a close. This victory goes to blue.
You're gonna meet some very smart people. You're gonna definitely meet some people who are smarter than you. And it's definitely very humbling, but it's also an amazing experience.
Good game.